Did you know meteorologist Nikki-Dee has two toddlers who are 15 months apart? And she knows it's always important to keep those little ones safe, learning, and engaged. She's got a new weekly segment called I'm Glad You've Asked. And we are talking toddler entertainment with her now, something most little ones drink every single day.
Well, obviously in a lot of mom groups. I've got two toddlers. This is my son, T. Copeland. And in one of my mom groups, they said, what's something that we can do with our little ones that isn't too messy? I'm gonna fess, I'm glad you asked, but it is just a hair messy because anytime you're dealing with food coloring, that could be a mess, right, bud?
Yes.
Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. What's this?
Milk.
That's right, we're gonna get some milk. Now, if you wanna make this a huge project, get different types of milk. This right here that we're using is whole milk. So what we'll do, we're gonna pour a little bit of whole milk. What's this?
Paper.
That's right. We're using a paper plate just so we can toss it on out. Okay, what color is that? Blue. Okay, so let's add a little bit of blue. How's that? Now remember, no touchy. So we're gonna put some blue drops. What other color should we use?
Yellow.
Yellow. So we're gonna add a little bit of this. It is yellow though. Add a lot of that actually. No, what color is this? Green. Green like the grass. So now that we've added our food coloring, you obviously can see it.
Red.
Oh,
Red.
we can't leave anyone out.
Ready, red.
Ready, red. Okay, we're gonna put some red in there. So we add it in our milk. Now we're gonna take a Q-tip that we will dab.
Bubbles.
What is this?
Bubbles.
It's bubbles.
Bubbles here.
We do put bubbles. Okay, now I want you to hold the Q-tip like this and put it down there. Ready? What just happened?
Green.
Look, it's mixing it around, isn't it? Do you know why, buddy? So the Dawn dish detergent connects with fats and it also connects with waters. So it's allowing the fat in the milk to get out. What'd you think?
Yeah.
Is that, you want some more? So this is just an easy way to have fun with the little ones. And the best part is you can change up all the different kinds of milk and you get a slightly different result with each. So toddler moms, I'm glad you asked and we're in this together. Let me know your questions, science or not. Nikki-Dee.Ray@newschannel5.com. You say bye.
Bye.